Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying access and preparing recovery options. Sign into My Account. Google, calm on a device you trust, then navigate to Security and open your devices to view active sessions. Once done, make sure your phone or backup email for two-factor authentication is available. This prevents lockout if Google prompts verification. Now scan the device list and identify the sessions you don't recognize. You're starting the process right away to limit exposure, so focus on devices shown as active or unfamiliar. Next, you'll remove access remotely and secure the account. For each unfamiliar device, click More Details to confirm activity and then choose Sign Out. This revokes Google Access tokens on that device. After signing out suspicious sessions, immediately change your password to a strong, unique one and update recovery options. Also review recent security events for signs of compromise. Make sure to repeat sign out for all unknown devices and keep one trusted device signed in so you can continue managing settings without interruption. Finally, lock things down and prepare a recovery plan. Enable two-step verification to require a second factor for new sign-ins and update any app passwords for older devices. Revoke third-party app access that looks suspicious and confirm sync settings on your remaining devices. If you can't sign back in after changes, use the account recovery flow and provide previously used passwords and recovery details. That usually restores access. One troubleshooting tip: if a device still appears online, clear its browser cache or revoke its.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.